So just quick video on this 2013 Ford Flex. If you guys haven't heard, if you own any Ford, I want to say Flex, Explorer, Taurus, some Lincoln models, there's a current recall on the this toe link, rear toe link. So this is what happened today. It snapped off right here while we're going 70 miles per hour on the freeway. So what happened was the rear wheel just pointed inward, and then that pushed the rear end towards that side, to the car, towards the passenger side. And because we were traveling pretty fast, we spun 180 degree, and then when the car stopped, we were facing oncoming traffic. All this because this part right here snapped. So there's a recall from Ford. I highly recommend you guys do it if you have any Ford that I mentioned. You can just look it up online. I think the recall number is 20S04. I was researching that a while we were waiting for a tow truck. I highly recommend you guys take it to Ford and have it replaced for free under the recall, because this is what could happen when the rear tolling snapped while you guys were driving. Thankfully, nobody got hurt. By God's grace, nobody hit us. We didn't hit anybody, and we're able to pull to the side of the road safely. So I'm gonna see if we can have this towed tomorrow, just to get that link replaced under the recall. So yeah, stay safe out there.